Welcome to the Retirement Minute with Just Ask Freeman. Things have really changed today. One of the suggestions I would have is that you save at least 10% of your pay for retirement. Now, that's a good beginning. Now, if you could save more, at least 15% of your salary. Even if you started late, you may need to save more. Another step, the confidence level. Worker confidence is being able to fund a comfortable retirement, which dropped in 2017 after reaching a postseason high back in 2016. What I'd like for you to do is get a free kit, which will help you move toward at least, you're going to need at least 70% of your pre-retirement income during retirement. It's very, very important, and we have solutions to make sure that, again, I always say, avoid costly mistakes, all right? Sit down and have a game plan. And then you'll have the peace of mind. Contact me at freeman@justaskfreeman.com and get your free retirement kit. Now, there's several kits that you can obtain. Your R&D kit, your retirement kit, and we have a Save Money kit. But in this instance, you need the retirement kit.